question 9 may be my favorite math question of all time. I really like this one. A line is graphed in the following standard XY coordinate plane. The line with equation will be graphed in the plane. So we have a line that's already graphed in the plane, and then we want to graph another line in the plane that fits this description. Y equals negative 3x plus 3. So we have to understand how to read this formula, this equation, to be able to answer this question. Well, I recognize this as slope-intercept form. That's a standard, plus b. That is a standard equation for a linear equation. It's a standard form for a linear equation. And what this means is that m, which is slope, corresponds to that negative 3 right there. So slope is negative 3. That's important, that slope is negative. And that the y-intercept, that's what this b represents, is positive 3. And that means that it intersects the y-axis at positive 3. Okay, so we're looking at this graph. I don't see that line in there, but I can certainly mark that point, positive 3. And if this equation is describing a negative slope, as it is, then I can draw the line. I just need to pass that line through that point and do my best. It's very hard to get a perfectly, there we go. So the equation that we just wrote corresponds to this line. And here's the question. Which of the following coordinates best approximates, I believe they lost, which of the following coordinates best approximate the intersection of the two lines? So they're asking us to determine this point. Best describe that point. So it is over 1 and up 1. If that's one of my answer choices, I like it. And sure enough, there it is. It is C. Those two lines will intersect somewhere near that point 1, 1. Just by knowing the y-intercept and negative slope, I can sketch the line in there, the line being this one that goes with this equation. And then I can tell you where that line crosses the line that was there originally. I really like that question.